Wagwan up all this boss. Happy Monday to you all, especially those celebrating Memorial Day, veterans and all. A blessed one to you. So today video is going to be on dancehall artist Spice. She says she has been receiving messages from different media outlets about her take on the Bounty versus Beenie Man versus battle, and this is what she has to say. Everyone calling me asking who I think won the versus battle between at Ground Godzilla and at Beenie Man. Even media outlets reaching out. So let me just say this loud and clear. Don't write up no F-rate. Think before the type. And here's my public opinion. So y'all can stop asking. Our culture won. Dancehall won. My eyes won the opportunity to witness the greatness legendary moment on IG Live last night. I sang each song for both of them, word for word. Salute to these living legends. Thank you for paving my way. So it's Team Jamaica for me. Team Dancehall, Team Reggae Music. We won last night. So that is what Spice has to say as to who she thinks won the battle. And for media outlets to stop reaching out. She has had enough. Alright, so I'm going to catch you in the next video because other artists has a lot to say. I'm going to say look at next video. Check out the next video.